my goodness. They pounded a rod and they broke this whole thing right here and nobody saw that. That is not, I'm gonna dig around here, find the rod. Obviously there's a rod right here somewhere. There it is, right there. See, it's all cracked. See that?
Step on it,
Well, whatever. Somebody stepped on it or messed it up or whatever. Well, it broke a huge hunk out, man. Huge. It's like 4 or 5 cracks right here.
Might go step on it.
Fix up that concrete and re-edge it because it is a little low here anyway. See, that's lower than that. There's extra concrete here. Get that all perfectly flush. I'll be right back.